everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegetable salad. Yeah, it's very simple recipe and it's very delicious. Okay, so these are the ingredients: green beans boiled, potato boiled, red onion, salt, oregano, extra virgin of olive oil, and some fresh tomatoes for salad. Okay, so I'm going to start off by peeling the boiled potatoes. So make sure your potatoes are well cooked. Okay, peeling the potatoes, I'm going to cube them in a chunk. Okay, just slice them whichever way you want. So after doing that, I'm going to add my onion, red onion. After adding the onion, I'm going to add the green beans, cooked green beans. So go in with the oregano. I use half a teaspoon of oregano, pinch of salt, extra virgin of olive oil, put as desired. Okay, now this is the tomatoes for salad. Remember that tomatoes for salad are always different from the other type of tomatoes. So I'm going to slice the tomatoes into chunk. Just go ahead and slice them with your own way, okay, to your desire. So I'm going to add the sliced tomatoes into the other vegetables. Then I'm going to stir everything together. This is a very simple recipe. You can have this only for dinner. Okay, this was my dinner the day I made it, and it's very fresh, like very delicious. I don't know how to describe it. You should give it a try. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can add other vegetables you want as well. Okay, so share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.